the Karaji chicken sandwich and pot stickers from, where are we? Lucky Fortune. Yum. Some grown-up drinks. Pina colada and what'd you get? Strawberry margarita?
Strawberry margarita.
Nice. Here it is. Waiting for it forever. The cheesy garlic breakfast pretzel. Ham and cheese croissant. And a croissant cookie. Yay! Riverbell Terrace, that is the Cajun shrimp and grits. That looks freaking fantastic. And Mama got the chicken and dumpling soup. That looks freaking huge and fantastic. Is that a strawberry pineapple swirl?
Yes.
With tahini and the chamois sauce. This will be a new one for us. Yum. And speaking of the devil, which comes with all our good stuff. Brisket sandwich, double order of fries, ice and water. And there it is, guys. With 14 minutes to spare, the second treat. And the ever omnipresent churro for the walk to the car.
Yep.
There's the chicken bao buns, fried chicken bao buns from Docking Bay 7. Yum. Just a little evening snack, I guess. Angry Dog with flaming hot fries or whatever from over here in DCA. All right, the churro for the walk home. I got it because Mama's a churro purist. This is the coffee and donut churro. It looks like it might be stuffed with something, and it's definitely covered with a bunch of stuff. Food. Surf and turf tacos. Yum. Time for a little snack. We're at the Stage Door Cafe. And these are the hot honey chicken tenders.
Mango and lemon.
Mango lemon Pixar Pier Frosty Parfait. What's the blue?
With the blue swirl.
Blue swirl.
Blue raspberry.
Blue raspberry swirl. Yum. Pastrami sandwich from Flo's V8 with fries. That looks tasty. Yeah, so this is really good. Loaded with pastrami and cheese, and the pickles are tangy. The mustard's tart and tangy. Crispy lettuce. This is damn good. And the French fries are sort of skin-on shoestring style. They're really good too. A little lunch break. The beef bulgogi sandwich. Like Korean beef and stuffed kimchi and a corn chowder. Ooh, looks creamy.
Yeah, it looks good.
Yeah, give that a shot. All right, that is good. That is sweet and tangy. You can really taste that sort of Korean barbecue flavor. Hearty, toasty sourdough. That's really tasty. Yeah, the soup is creamy and rich. Got a nice flavor. Got little crispy, like toasted corn nuggets on top. It's really, really quite tasty. I'm here to tell you that is one of the best things I've had in either park. That was absolutely spectacular. The kimchi had great flavor. The beef was super tender and moist and had a real nice kind of sweet, tangy Korean barbecue flavor. And that corn chowder. And I'm not usually a big corn soup kind of fan. That was fantastic. Yeah, it was. That's one of my favorite things I've had in either park. And $15 flat with a Magic Key discount. And plenty for us to split for lunch. Yeah, it was great. Adorable snowman raspberry lemon soft serve swirl.
It's so good. It's raspberry.
Yum. Since Mama's hands are full with frozen treats, chomp. Oh, whoo.
Oh, let me have a bite.
That is hot. Holy cow, that is hot and fresh. Just as we were getting ready to get on Big Thunder, we saw this girl sitting on one of the benches eating a sandwich, and we asked her what it was, and she said the shrimp po' boy from Tiana's. Looks like it comes with dirty rice and a mess of pickled veg. This looks pretty freaking fantastic for park eats. Yeah, so that's red beans and rice. Little bits of pork. It's spicy. It's actually really, really, really good. And then there's a sweet and sour pickled veg. Cucumbers, onions, bell peppers. And the sandwich is fantastic. Crispy shrimp. Nice spice to them. Really good. And then they have an assortment of hot sauces. So if you want to sauce it up. And I'm telling you, that red beans and rice is spicy. That's got a kick. This is freaking fantastic eats.
Thank you so much. Have a good night.
Chomp. Citrus churro. Something new. Toronto-less wrap made with impossible sausage something.
It has kimchi and some of that slaw. I'm just trying to.
Regular old corn dog and some ice water and a spicy mustard. Mama wanted a tea for the ride home, and that churro is not gonna make it.
Nope.
Chomp. Super hot and fresh.